try to get every trick shot on every weapon. So like sniper, crossbow, subspacer knife, trowel, and even the knife. That today we're gonna be doing all that today. So I don't have a secondary to trick shot in, knife, and of course a subspace mine. I will try to hit the subspace mine with the sniper, so I can hit a trick shot with the subspace mine and the sniper. Okay, I missed the mine style. Boom, boom. Okay, I missed my first one. Let go. I had the first trick shot. So the next trick shot, I'm gonna try to hit the moon with my eyes closed or did I get him? I don't think so. Did I get him? I don't know. So let me try again. So I don't know. I definitely did not hit. Voice bro did. So let's go. I hit it. I hit it. I swear I was closing my eyes. So sniper, subspace termite, knife are done. Now we have the crossbow. Anything. Trowel and that's it. Anything. Okay. So put the trowel right here. Jump. Okay, bro. Put the trowel right here. Jump. Boom. I did not hit. I did not hit it. Bro, I cannot hit it. Why can I not hit it, bro? Why can I not hit it? Reload, please. Please reload, bro. What do I do to you? Bro. Let's go! Every trick shot. Bro, I'm stuck. Boom. Let's go! So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Peace out.